everyone, welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be teaching you about what is AI. Now, this had been a big question in the back of my mind somewhere. Probably in file folder D. Alright, enough with the humiliating stuff. Now, how AI works. Now, this is an important part. Yes, it's a very important part. Because if you don't know how AI works, then you don't know how to use it. Because you need to know how it works. Because, okay. Alright. Now let's just get into the serious stuff, okay? I'm going to stop with it. I'm going to stop being hilarious. Okay? Alright. AI uses data and algorithms to recognize patterns, make predictions, and learn from experience. Kind of like us. Because when we play games, we are not going to watch a 50-hour tutorial, are we? No. We aren't going to do that. We aren't going to do that. We're going to learn on our way. So, let's see. If you're playing Minecraft, instead of watching a 30-hour tutorial on how to right-click, oh wait, that's right? Yeah. Left, right, yeah. So instead of watching a 60-hour tutorial on how to right-click to mine, no, you're not going to do that. You're going to just, you should be able to know that, right? You're not an idiot. We learn from our experience. Like this says, we don't need a 50-hour tutorial. Okay? Okay, I hope you got that. A short history of AI. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. 1950s. Knight Rider. Okay, just kidding. Idea of thinking machineries began. Knight Rider. He's an AI-powered car. He's an AI car. Terminator. He's AI, dude. That's what the people thought back then of AI, I guess. 1990s. Computers started beating humans in chess. Why'd they have to specificate that? I don't know if they needed to, but they did. No, they're not they. Oh god, AI did. Yeah. So if you didn't know, fun fact number 3. Yes, there's 2 more. This whole presentation was made by AI. Now it's really crazy to think they can do this much, but imagine how much they can do in the future, man. If they could already do this much, man, I can't imagine 2050. Now, this is 1990s was a time where computers stopped being buildings. You know, back in the day, computers weren't these sleek, designed machines, barely 2 millimeters thick. They were at least, let me calculate, at least 50 meters thick. 50 meters wide. They were literal hotels if they had hollow space inside. Every single centimeter was already used up, okay? So, in 1990s, computers started being a lot more advanced and also a lot more usable instead of huge bricks. And now, 2000s and 2020s. AI just became a part of life. Now it's not so rare to see an AI created presentation. You're watching at one right now. It's not so crazy to have a self-driving car, is it? No. It's not so crazy to have AI have AI give you things, predictions, and Netflix recommendations. Hey, we never asked for it. They were like, here you go. This thing's so powerful. They just gave it to us, okay? Next slide. Types of AI. Now, this is also another important part we need to know when it comes to learning about AI. Or even knowing what AI is in the first place. Narrow AI does one specific task, like Siri. I don't know why I'm pointing at the computer. I still have the cursor. Like Siri. Okay. General AI. Thinks like humans, Copilot and ChatGPT straight up. But it's still developing, so they aren't the most best. I mean, hey, it's already good enough, man. And then super AI. Smarter than humans. But it's theoretical, because nobody ever did that yet. Hey, maybe in 2085 they might do that. You never know what's going to happen. It just happens. Machine learning. Machine learning lets computers learn from data without being programmed. It helps AI improve over time. Now, it's kind of like us. Nobody programmed us to start walking. We were one day when we were like a year old, we decided, oh, it's a sunny day, I should go and walk. So you just hold up the sofa, stand up on your two legs, and just start walking. Nobody programmed you to do that. Nobody taught you to do it. You thought, I'm going to get up and walk. Okay? No one programmed you. And you can't be programmed. That would be creepy. Deep learning. Deep learning uses neural networks that work like the human brain, which is why they put a picture of a brain with wires and bulb-like dots. Why do I keep saying they? It's AI. Okay. It helps AI recognize faces, understand speech, read text. I should stop doing the hand thing. Text. It's why AI was able to do this whole presentation, because it understood the text I gave it. If it can't read, it can't do anything. AI in daily life. This was the topic in 2020s when we were at maybe slide number 3. Yeah, short history of AI. Yeah, that's the one. Voice assistants. Self-driving cars, which is Tesla for me. Voice assistant? I think I don't know that. Netflix recommendations and Google predictions. Here's the self-driving car, because there's no steering wheel on it. And then a robot's talking, which is probably voice assistant. Why is there a Wi-Fi logo there? This girl is asking for Google predictions on the weather. He's asking for Netflix recommendations. AI in healthcare. Now this is also a pretty cool part. Detect diseases from x-rays. And also I want to point out one thing. I don't think the doctors use such a huge robot to really detect it. They probably have a computer to do it, but hey, it's what AI gave me. Okay. And assist doctors with diagnosis and predict health risks. Now, this is really cool because back in the day, you did not have a robot telling you, hey, look at this x-ray, it looks suspicious. Oh, I was right, his heart stopped working 50 years ago. Yeah. Okay, that was stupid. AI in education. It helps teachers grade assignments, personalize learning, and support students using chatbots, probably college students. Now, first of all, I have never seen our teachers grade assignments with AI before. But hey, it's probably because I never pay attention when they're grading papers. Personalized learning. Yes, I do that a lot. I do that when using CapCut to edit, when using OBS Studio. Let's see how other... My brain's malfunctioning. Support students using chatbots. I don't really know that, but I do talk with AI a lot, just for fun. Oh. Oh, okay. AI and robotics. Robots perform dangerous or repetitive tasks in factories and surgeries. And I don't have a third hand. Space exploration. Now, space exploration kind of brings up the memory of Mars rover. though I'm pretty sure it didn't have AI, it was probably built with AI? No, I'm pretty sure AI came after the Mars rover. Advantages of AI! Why aren't you smiling? Saves time and effort, works 24/7, and makes fewer mistakes, and handles repetitive work. Great! Disadvantages. Disadvantages of AI. Job loss. Expensive to develop. Lacks creativity and emotion. And also, I don't know why the robot is still putting a thumbs up instead of a down. I'm confused. I thought it was supposed to make fewer mistakes. And yet, he made one. Yeah, that's stupid. But it did say it makes fewer mistakes. It didn't say it never made mistakes. Okay? Fun fact 1. Yes, I have 2. I told you in the beginning. AI once created a painting that sold for over $400,000. Yeah, that's crazy. I really want to see that picture. So if you guys could find one, the real picture that actually sold for over $400,000, please send me the picture. I would love to see it. I'm pretty sure it's not Mona Lisa though. I don't think any AI would create a good Mona Lisa picture. Fun fact 2. AI can now write poems, make music, and design, oh goodness, buildings. Well, I'm dead. The future of AI. And I can't point out because the robot's already doing it for me. AI will continue improving our lives, solving problems like climate change and diseases, but must be used responsibly. Hey, you should never give a knife to a monkey. He will hurt himself and you and others, okay? And don't actually try that to see if he actually does it. He will do it, okay? So I beg you, do not actually give a monkey a knife. First of all, you are never getting that back. Second of all, you might get hurt. Third of all, he might get hurt and his pack might get hurt. Now for the ending. And I'm going to wrap up this just kidding. AI is the science of making machines think like us. Let's use AI to build a better future. And don't give a monkey a knife. I'm not being sarcastic. Actually, don't do that. Quote, "The future belongs to those who innovate." I'm Tejan Chanakya. And until next time, I hope you enjoyed my video. So, please consider liking, subscribing, and make sure you leave your opinion in the comment section down below. And until next time, see you guys. Bye-bye.